Hello students, I am Sunny sir from Mahdi English School and this video is for students of standard 3 and subject is grammar. I hope all of you are fine and you have taken care of yourselves during these days and enjoyed your vacation. So let's get back to studies. Let us read thought for today. You get in life what you have the courage to ask for. So, this thought means that you should keep on asking questions. If you want something, then you have to ask for that. Don't wait, just ask for what you want. Only then you can get that thing. So, have the courage to ask. Don't feel shy in asking anything. And I want you to follow some rules in everyday life. What are that rules? First is clean up. You have to keep your surroundings neat and clean. Do not throw the garbage here or there, only in the waste bin. While you are playing with your friends, you should take turns. Give the chances to everyone. Then be careful with the tools like axe, scissors. You have to be very careful so that you do not get hurt. Do not interrupt. While your elders are speaking, don't interrupt in between. Let them complete, then you speak. Follow the rules, the traffic rules. You have to stop when there is red light. So follow the traffic rules. Stand in a queue means stand in a line when you are at school or when you are at any shop. Just see that you do not break the line. So, in today's video, I am going to teach you the following content. Grammar Bridge course. I hope all of you have solved the bridge course assignment that you had got in your WhatsApp group. So today, we will solve the assignment. I will explain the first question and I will give the answers for the same. You will have to note down the answers in your rough book. Even if you have solved the assignment, you should note down the answers so that you will know where you have made the mistakes. So give the proper heading, give today's date and then write heading Grammar Bridge Course. So let us begin with question 1, Bridge Course. So, as you have already written the heading Bridge Course of Grammar, right? And you already know, I already told you, I am your English and grammar teacher. So, we are going to solve Grammar Bridge Course today. The first topic we have taken is types of sentences, right? So, this is the subheading that you can give in your notebook, types of sentences. Those who have already solved the bridge course, they already know that in question 1, types of sentences was there. So today we will solve that question 1 of assignment, but before that I will explain what are the types of sentences. Let us look at the definition. What is a sentence? So before learning the types of the sentences, you must know what is a sentence. So, a group of words which make complete sense and expresses our thoughts is a sentence. So, what is a sentence? It is a group of words, means more than 2 words, 3, 4, 5, or it can be more. When you put that group of words in a proper order, then it will express a thought, what you want to say to everyone. That is a sentence. When you put that group of words in the correct order, it will make complete sense. Means, it will tell you something. That is called a sentence. But very important is the order of the words. The group of words should be arranged in the correct order. Only then you can understand the meaning of the sentence. So that is the definition of sentence. Now, let us look at examples. While writing a sentence, we begin it with a capital letter and we must end with a full stop. I hope all of you know this rule very well. And if you do not know, then now you should learn it. How should we start a sentence? We must begin, means we must start with capital letter always. And how to end it, how to complete with a full stop. Two things you will remember. Which are the two things? Start with capital letter, end with full stop. Start the sentence with capital letter, complete or end the sentence with a full stop. Now, see the examples given below. Number 1, the peacock is a beautiful bird. See how beautiful the bird is. So, the peacock is a beautiful bird. Now, notice the rules which we have applied. Sentence starts with capital letter, sentence ends with a full stop. Did you see that? Yes, so capital letter is over here, capital T of the full stop is over here after bird. So always start the sentence with a capital letter, end the sentence with a full stop. Example number 2, Sanya is good at drawing. So, see how beautiful drawing she has made, right? So, here you see the first alphabet S is capital of Sanya, and at last what do we see? Full stop. Did you see that? Yes, so capital letter, first alphabet of the sentence is capital. Last at the end we see full stop. So I hope all of you have learned this rule today. What is the rule? Start or begin your sentence with a capital letter, end your sentence with a full stop. Right? So I will read this page once again. You have to write these two examples in your rough book. Just write example and then write number 1 and number 2. I am reading it. Please complete it, or you may take screenshot and write later on. So while writing a sentence, we begin it with a capital letter and end with a full stop. For example, number 1, the peacock is a beautiful bird. Number 2, Sanya is good at drawing. I hope you have written both the sentences. Next, Miskat is my best friend. Right? This is example number 3. Please write down example number 3. What's given? Miskat is my best friend. So, notice something over here. What is given? First alphabet M is capital. See, it is capital M. Did you see? Yes. And what do you see at the end? At last, you see full stop is given. Capital alphabet and full stop. I am going to underline so that you can understand it properly. So we begin the sentence with capital alphabet. And how do we end the sentence? We end it with a period, with a full stop. So did you write this? Yes, I hope you have written example number 3. Read example number 4 along with me. My favorite color is black. Which is your favorite color? Is it blue, red, green? Which one? You can write any color, whichever you like. So over here you see, again we started the sentence with capital alphabet M. we end the sentence with full stop. So all these rules are applied. Capital letter, that is the first alphabet, and full stop, that is the end of the sentence. My favorite color is, you can write anything over here instead of black. You can write green, blue, purple, whichever you like. So please remember this rule which we have learned just now. What is the rule? Sentence begins with a capital letter, ends with a full stop. Now, after learning this rule, let us solve one exercise. Let's see how much you have understood. So here you will give the heading on the new page, exercise 1. Here are group of words. Let's tick the ones that are sentences and cross out those that are not. Means what? You have to read the sentences. All these sentences which are given, you have to read it and you have to see if it is a sentence. Does it make complete sense? Means, is the sentence properly written? Is it correct? Is it complete? Then put a tick mark. Otherwise, put a cross mark. Cross it out. That no, it is incomplete. It does not make complete sense. But you have to read it twice or thrice. Then only you will understand that whether it is complete or not. Right? Let's write number 1 in your notebook. Please write question 1. So what is question 1? There are many books in the library. Read it again. There are many books in the library. Is it complete? Yes, the sentence seems to be complete. There are many books in the library. It is complete. It makes complete sense, right? So, we will put a tick mark over here. As the sentence makes complete sense, so we put tick mark. It is correct. So, write the sentence and put tick mark. Number 2. Ben has a pet dog. Ben has a pet dog. Is the sentence correct? Does it make complete sense? Yes, it does. The sentence is correct. We can understand that Ben has a pet dog. There is nothing missing over here. So what do we put? Tick mark. Just put a tick mark after writing the question. Number 3. And they. Now, does it seem to be complete? And they dash means something is missing. We see that the sentence is incomplete. And they what? Nothing is given. Means the sentence is incomplete. So we have to cross out. It does not make complete sense. So let us cross it out. So here I have put a cross mark because the sentence does not make complete sense. And they what? We don't know. Jan is my best friend. Jan is my best friend. So that is sentence number 4. I hope you are writing along with me. If you are not writing, then please take screenshot. You can write later on after watching the video. So is this sentence complete? Does it make complete sense? Jan is my best friend. Yes, it is complete. It makes complete sense. So we put a tick mark because the sentence is complete. Nothing is missing over here. Jan is my best friend. The idea is conveyed. Means the sentence is complete. There is nothing missing in the sentence. Now, sentence number 5. Is sharp dash. But what is sharp? If you say the knife is sharp, the axe is sharp, then the sentence is complete, right? But here we don't understand what is sharp. Something is missing. So the sentence is incomplete. Isn't it? Yes, it is incomplete. So we put a cross mark. So you also can put a cross mark. If you have red color or red pen, you can do it with a red pen. Then the next one, number 6. Playing children the are. Playing children the are. Isn't it incomplete? Means, is the sentence correct? Are the words arranged in the correct order? No, the words are not arranged in the correct order. It should be like the children are playing. That is the correct order of the words. But here it is given playing children the are. So this is wrong. The order of the words is not correct. So we put a cross mark. It should be the children are playing, but it is not given that way. So this is not making complete sense. So we cross out. Next, number 7. The apples are sweet. Yes, the apples are sweet and we must eat one apple every day. So the apples are sweet. This sentence is complete. It makes complete sense all by itself. So what should we put? A tick mark. So here we put a tick mark. The apples are sweet. We know that the sentence does make complete sense. So we put a tick mark. Next, number 8. Teacher is teaching in the class. Is it correct? Is it complete? Yes, it seems to be complete. Teacher is teaching in the class. The message is conveyed clearly. Nothing is missing in the sentence. So, tick mark. Teacher is teaching in the class. It is complete sentence. Cat above dash. So here something seems to be missing. We don't understand. The cat is above what? So the idea is not conveyed. Something is missing over here. And so the sentence is not correct. It is incomplete sentence. It is missing. So we put a cross mark. And number 10. My brother lives in Noida. Is this correct? Is it complete sentence? Yes, it is. My brother lives in Noida. Noida is a place. And the idea, the message is conveyed. So the sentence is complete sentence. My brother lives in Noida. It is complete sentence. It makes sense. So here we complete this exercise. I hope you have written. If not, then you can take screenshot. You can pause the video and take screenshot, because this exercise is for the bridge course basic and you have to write this one time. Now we will see what are the types of sentences. Please understand this, because based on this we are going to solve our first exercise for the bridge course. So understand what are the types of the sentences. Look here. When a sentence tells us something, it is called a statement. So what is a statement? First we are learning about a statement. A statement always ends with a full stop. Remember that what is a statement? It tells us something. It just gives us some kind of information. That is called a statement. And statement should always end with a full stop. That is what you have to remember. A statement ends with a full stop. And it will just tell us something about someone. Look at the examples. Tony goes to the beach every Sunday. The girl is reading a book. I want to be a doctor. All these sentences, they end with a full stop. Notice that there is a full stop at the end of the sentence. It begins with a capital letter. It just tells us something about someone. It just tells us that Tony goes to the beach. It just tells us, it just gives the information about the girl and about me, that I want to be a doctor. So this is called a statement. Statement always ends with a full stop. See some more examples. The boy is playing with a ball. The moon moves around the earth. Ram and Shyam are engineers. All these are called statements. They must end with a full stop. Statement ends with a full stop. Then let us see the next type of sentence. It is a question. It is very easy. When you want to ask someone about something, it is called a question. When a sentence asks something, it is called question. When you want to ask someone something, it is a question. A question always ends with a question mark. Remember this very important rule. A question always ends with a question mark. Don't forget, when you are asking something, at the end you will not put a full stop, you will put a question mark. See, examples are given. Which school do you go to? Question mark is given. Are we going to the beach today? Again question mark. What is this girl doing? Again question mark. So these are all questions. What time are we going to movie? See the question mark. Have you read this new book? Will you call me tonight at 7? So all these are called questions. When you want to ask someone about something, you use a question mark. That are called questions. What are they called? They are called questions. Next, a sentence that expresses a strong feeling, a sudden emotion, excitement, that is called exclamatory sentence. So this is amazing kind of sentence. When you want to express your happiness, you are shocked, you are excited, you are very happy, or you are very sad, at that time we use exclamatory sentence. And exclamatory sentence always ends with an exclamation mark. So the most important thing you have to remember is exclamation mark. See, this is how we do an exclamation mark. One straight line and a dot. How will you do an exclamation mark? How to put an exclamation? A straight line and a dot. This is how we put exclamation mark. And what is it used for? When you are very happy, very sad, very excited, at that time exclamatory sentence is used. See, examples are given. Oh, what a beautiful rainbow. You are surprised to see the rainbow. Now you know rainy season has already arrived, right? So, especially in rainy season we see the rainbow. It's beautiful. So we are very happy to see that. What a talented girl she is. I can't believe how hot it is outside. You are late again. You did a great job. Alas, he is no more. So everywhere you see there is an exclamation mark, right? It is called exclamatory sentence. Next is command. When you give an order to someone to do something, that is called command. A sentence that is used to tell or order somebody to do something is called command. Command always ends with a full stop. How will you end a command? With a full stop. But you have to check that which way it is being spoken. When you are ordering someone, it is called command. You should help the poor. Don't make the classroom dirty. Tell me the truth. See, these are all commands, orders given. Don't touch any exhibit in the museum. You must return the book to the library. Make sure to finish your homework before you go to bed. So when your parents, when your teachers are giving command, they speak in a high voice. That is called a command. It is compulsory to be done. but it always ends with a full stop. Then we have last one is request. Request is a polite way of asking. The act of asking politely for something to be given or done is called request. Politely means very softly. You say, please give this to me. That is request. And request also ends with a full stop. Remember, command also ends with a full stop. Request also ends with a full stop. But request is polite. See, please turn off the lights. Please is given over here. That is request. Please sit down. So please is a request. Please leave your footwear outside. Again please. So you see, for request we use please. Please feed the pet animals. Please be quiet. The baby is sleeping. Please close the door. So all these are requests. Everywhere you see the word please is used, it is a request. So I hope you understood what is a request. Now we will solve the bridge course assignment question number 1 today. This question you have to write 2 times in your rough book. What is this? Bridge course assignment question number 1. I repeat, this is bridge course assignment which was given to you, which was sent in your WhatsApp group. Grammar assignment question number 1. We are solving it. Write it 2 times. Number 1. What a beautiful dress it is. What a beautiful dress it is. See, exclamation mark is given, right? Can you see exclamation mark? Yes, it is exclamatory sentence. Do you remember the spelling? exclamatory. Exclamatory. It is exclamatory sentence. Number 2. What is your name? What is your name? Which kind of sentence is it? Question. See, question mark is given. So it is a question. Let us write Question. Question. It is a question. Number 3. You should drink much water in summer season. You should drink much water in summer season. So this is just a simple statement. It is not a question, it is not exclamatory, it is not a command, nor is it a request. It is just a simple statement which ends with a full stop. So let us write STATEMENT, statement. This is just a simple statement. Number 4. Alas, we lost the match. Alas, we lost the match. This is extreme sorrow. The boy is very unhappy that he lost the match. He is very, very sad. So alas is given. You see, exclamation is there. It is exclamatory sentence. You see exclamation sign over here? Yes, this is exclamation sign, just like number 1. It is exclamatory sentence. So the same spelling we should write, exclamatory, right? Number 5. Which book is yours? Which book is yours? Which type of sentence is it? It is a question. Why? Because we see the question mark over here. I hope you can see that question mark. So it is a question, just like number 2. So we copy that and write in number 5, it is a question. So here we complete question number 1 of bridge course assignment of grammar. You have to write this question 2 times. You can write it in rough book. If you do not have the new rough book, you can write in the rough book of the previous year, last year. If you have any old book with the pages which are left, you can use that and write the homework in it. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Have a nice day.